Hello traders, welcome back to another new video. In this video, we'll be analyzing gold for the next week. So let's start with day one time frame. So as you can see that we can see a good correction in gold on 1 day time frame, and if you see the last to last week somewhere over here, then we can see that most of the people keep SL below this level, and here you can see that gold has uh, swept the liquidity of all the traders and continued to move up. Now here in this week we can say that we can see the same movement over here, that mostly people will keep their SL somewhere over here and gold will try to sweep the liquidity and will continue to move up. Now let's see in the day 4 hour time frame. Okay, traders. So again, we can see a good buying level in gold on 4 hour time frame, and also here you can see a good selling zone in 4 hour time frame. So if gold continues to move up, then we can see good selling till 3170, and from 3170 we can see a good bounce back in gold. Now let's move on to R1. So on R1 time frame, we can see good retracement in gold. So again, if the price continues to move up, we can see a good selling zone from here. Otherwise, we will see a buying in gold. Okay, let's see gold on 15 minutes. Is there any change of character? Okay, on 15-minute time frame, we can see a support over here and resistance over here. Now, if we see it, so from here we can see a good selling in gold of, I guess, 300 plus pips. So if you want, we can plan accordingly. So that's was my view, that on bigger time frame we can see a good liquidity sweep in gold. After that, price will continue to move up. What's your view of idea? Comment below and let me know. So thank you guys, but also if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and also join my Telegram community for regular updates. See you in the next video.